4 things improved in India, and they should improve if you want to be healthy. A, clean drinking water for the masses. B, 3 square meals uncontaminated by human and or animal excreta. 3, a roof on the top and a toilet for the house to avoid hookworms which are deadly. 4, economic empowerment of women. 5, avoiding cooking gas, cooking smoke coming into the house in the villages. You're not seen. You live in a 5-star house in air-conditioned room. They blow into dry twigs, dry leaves, and cow dung cake. And the smoke comes in. And do you know what it contains? Pure carbon monoxide. Your car is 1,000 times better. Cars do nothing. And these people talk about global warming and all. Don't you believe them? They're again another kind of false scientists. Actually, there is global cooling. Do you know that? The globe is cooling. I won't go into that because again, time is constrained, but I'll give you a book to read. Read that. Write down this book. It's written by Stephen Levitt. Steven. Levitt. 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 He's a professor of economics in Chicago University. And Stephen, Stephen, Dubner, Dubner. நீங்க படிக்கணும். நீங்க பேப்பர் பசங்கள் இது படிக்கணும். The book is called Super Freakonomics. Freakonomics you might have read. This is called Super Freakonomics, which shows so beautifully how this world is not warming at all, but cooling on the contrary. Florida had snow. Last month when I was there, Florida is like Mangalore or Chennai, and it had snow for 1 month. Seattle never had seen snow in the last 100 years. Full snow for 3 months. London, I've been in London for so many years. London never used to have snow in March. They had snow in March with minus degrees centigrade temperature. And at this linear prediction, if I were to do, we are in for an ice age in this future. And simply blame carbon dioxide. When we were all children, we were told carbon dioxide is a beautiful thing. We breathe it out. The green leaves take it out with water vapor, convert it to chlorophyll. That's the food for all of us. Even if you eat a cow, it eats grass only. Ultimately, it has to come from the chlorophyll. But today, what's happening? We are told, oh, carbon dioxide is very bad. Do you know why? America and Europe have industrialized fully. They don't want India and China to come up. So they were blunt. I will tell you one small thing. One cow farts 850 cc of methane every day. One cow. It burps another 850 cc of methane. It puts out another 2000 cc of putty. Together, this is more warming to the atmosphere. It's methane, 10 times warmer than carbon dioxide, than a large factory in Chennai. So all this is, simply making money out of, you get awards, you get money, you get jobs, you get everything you get. It's all done. Anyway, let's forget about it. So what they want? A toilet, economic empowerment of women. If the man earns and drinks and eats there, comes home empty stomach, and the poor woman can sleep empty stomach. But seeing a child sleep on empty stomach kills her. Not knowing where your next meal comes from is the biggest risk factor for a heart attack. And women get cancer of the lung because of the carbon monoxide. They are not diagnosed they are not in the statistics of the country, but they die in the village. People say, oh, God has cursed her, or the demon has killed her, and things like that. All this must change for wellness.